Okay.
What we're going to do is install a DC-DC inverter. Take the voltage down so it doesn't burn up the batteries. Alright. This is the way you'll receive it. You got a piece of heat shrink on one side, heat shrink on the other side. Yeah, all the wires skinned back, ready to go. Red goes into red, yellow back out to the battery. Alright. So now, let's get a bolt this down, grease it up first. Grease up your hole so you get a good ground. Grease up your ground so you get a good ground. And grease up your other one. Stick it in there. Turn it upside down. Put the bolts in. And we'll take a 13mm, ½ inch. Tighten her down. And then
Go.
alright, we'll start by cutting the red wire going back to the battery. Strip it out and strip the other side out. Well, we'll strip it out. Like I said, take the red, position the wires back in so they're out of the way.
I'm gonna come around this
The red wire coming from your DC inverter goes to the red wire coming out. And it's pure red. And then the yellow wire goes to the battery. Let's get our heat shrink out here.
Pause.
Okay, now get the new yellow wire. Going up here. Next thing is solder them up. Solder iron over here. It's nice and hot. Get solder. The 4060 solder. Underneath it. Same thing on the other side. Almost on. Get off to the side. Heat shrink down. And put heat shrink right over top of the mess. Same thing with the red wire. Tuck the wires back in, tie them down.